Ahlan wa sahlan, and welcome to Edupedia World Videos. Basic Arabic with your instructor, Laura Al-Albani. In this lesson, we'll learn the names of the days of the week in Arabic. Ayyam al-Usbu'a. Ayyam al-Usbu'a means the days of the week. Before we begin, make sure that you have your notebook and a pencil so that you're able to write down each day of the week as we go through them. Learning objectives. By the conclusion of this video, the student will be able to 1. Say the names of the days of the week in Arabic, 2. Write the names of the days of the week in Arabic script, and 3. Know the word for day in Arabic. The first day of the week is Yawm al-Ahad. Yawm al-Ahad. Yawm al-Ahad means Sunday. Yawm al-Ahad. Write Yawm al-Ahad. The word Yawm means day. Al-Ahad means the first. So Yawm al-Ahad is the first day of the week. The second day of the week is Yawm al-Ithnain. Yawm al-Ithnain, Monday. Yawm al-Ithnain. Write Yawm al-Ithnain. Yawm al-Ithnain means Monday. The third day of the week is Yawm al-Thulatha. Yawm al-Thulatha is Tuesday. Write Yawm al-Thulatha. Yawm al-Thulatha. Tuesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Yawm al-Arbi'a. Yawm al-Arbi'a. Write Yawm al-Arbi'a. Yawm al-Arbi'a is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Yawm al-Khamis. Yawm al-Khamis, Thursday. Write Yawm al-Khamis. Yawm al-Khamis means Thursday. Write Yawm al-Khamis. Friday is Yawm al-Jum'ah. Yawm al-Jum'ah means the day of congregation. It's the day when all Muslims get together and go to the masjid. Yawm al-Jum'ah. Write Yawm al-Jum'ah. And finally, our last day of the week is Yawm al-Sabt. Yawm al-Sabt. Yawm al-Sabt means Saturday. Write Yawm al-Sabt. Now let's review the days of the week. Do you remember how to say days of the week in Arabic? Yes, it's Ayyam al-Usbu'a. Ayyam al-Usbu'a. Listen and repeat after me. Sunday. Yawm al-Ahad. Monday. Yawm al-Ithnain. Tuesday. Yawm al-Thulatha. Wednesday. Yawm al-Arbi'a. Thursday. Yawm al-Khamis. Friday. Yawm al-Jum'ah. Saturday. Yawm al-Sabt. Let's try it once more. Sunday. Yawm al-Ahad. Monday. Yawm al-Ithnain. Tuesday. Yawm al-Thulatha. Wednesday. Yawm al-Arbi'a. Thursday. Yawm al-Khamis. Friday. Yawm al-Jum'ah. And Saturday. Yawm al-Sabt. And this brings us to the end of our lesson. What's your favorite day of the week? Ma salama.